yeah. Nice.
All right, now let Dad do it.
He did it, Daddy. Leaned at it twice.
Did he? All right, now let Dad do it. Now, you taking this photo?
Yeah.
Now Dad's going to do it. Dad's going to land the back flip. Ready? Oh! Almost! Did I land it?
No.
No?
Not close.
Oh, who wants to land a backflip anyway?
Straighten up your body. Yeah, that's it. Just straighten up your body. Nice. Do a front one. Or a back one.
Which one?
I don't know. Yeah. Land that one.
I can't. I don't know. I don't know where to go which way.
Nice.